it's too big. You know, this pumpkin is so big. The weight of this pumpkin is 447 kilograms. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Wow, this is so beautiful. Now I'm going to jump. VR, sounds, lights, shadows. A day and night horror museum art is created. Weifang, which is not unfamiliar to us Pakistanis, 60% of zucchini we eat in Pakistan is came from China, Shandong, China. There is a great saying in China that is national agricultures look at Shandong. Shandong agricultures look at Weifang. And one of the biggest sign of Weifang is Shouguang. And Shouguang is the largest vegetables basket in China, and you know what is the important thing is they delivered 8,524 kilograms vegetable in every minute. Now I am in the exhibition hall, exhibition center. So you know that it's feel like being in a tropical rainforest. My eyes are full of greens. So you know, every year, April 20th to May 30th, Shouguang hold an international vegetable expo. So where thousands of fruits and vegetables together. So it will refresh your understandings of fruits and vegetables. Wow, it's too big. You know, this pumpkin is so big. The weight of this pumpkin is 447 kilograms. Unbelievable. Oh my God. These are fishes and these are vegetables. Why they are together? Because they are using some technologies. For example, symbiosis technology. They can raise fish and then they can grow vegetables also. So this is the space cultivation mode. They use different type of methods. For example, they use soilless cultivation. They also use some artificial lighting. Because of this, they can simulate water, sunshine, and temperature. So this type of cultivation is in the form of pipeline, and through the pipeline, water and nutrient solution directly and automatically transported into into these pipelines at fixed time and fixed quantity. So you know what, this has many advantages, like it can control diseases, and it is easy to manage, and it also keep the environment clean. So this is the plant factory. You know, I love this side. You know, there is different colors of flowers, plants, and this is like a pink room. I love it. In night, combining sound, light, vegetables, gardening, and lightning, adding to the hall 5, 7, 8, and 10. Using VR, shadow, light, space technologies, a day and night horror museum art is created. so beautiful. They're showing Chinese culture. And they're wearing different cultural dresses. So this one is Jingling Songling Yishuguan. So let's go inside, have a look. Wow, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. This is a small garden, you know. They are singing and dancing and showing Chinese culture. This is so beautiful. So this is the hand of desert. Now I'm going to jump. Look at that side. There is lights. And you know, inside what I feel like, my head is like this. I think so this is Konglong. I guess this is dragon. I cannot see it clearly.你好，这个是你自己做的吗？
对，自己做的。对。
你可以再飞吗？我看一下这个什么？
啊？
你这个黄台上面。
飞一下是吧？
啊，对，我看一下。
你是哪儿的？新疆的还是吉尔吉斯坦的？
你觉得我是中国人吗？看起来。
我看着你中国话说的挺好。
我是巴基斯坦人。啊。
巴铁啊。
对。哦，这是你自己做的吗？
对。哇，咱们是好朋友啊，是吧？
啊，是的。I have some questions about this vegetable museum. Let's go and find someone and ask them. Let's go.
It's really amazing to see vegetables grown in Shouguang. These vegetables that should have grown on the ground can not only bear fruit in the air but also grow into trees. The power of technology is really amazing.
We are all students and this is our first time at Shouguang Vegetable Fair. We have seen many plants for the first time, which has yielded a lot of information. Each plant has a text introduction and we have learned a lot about vegetables. In the exhibition hall, I saw great works of farmers who created many beautiful, lifelike patterns from ordinary tomatoes, peppers, and small pumpkins.
Aeroponics is a method of growing plants without soil. Instead, roots are irrigated with a nutrient-dense mist. It not only saves water and fertilizer, but also keeps away from soil, greatly reducing the incidence of diseases and pests. It is really great.
The cutting-edge cultivation technology museum in Hall 10 showcases the most advanced cultivation models and technologies in modern agriculture. In the form of technology corridor, the plant factory remotely controls crop growth through mobile phones. I have experienced the charm of growing in an artificial environment. I have seen huge tomato trees, cucumber trees, giant pumpkins, etc. Modern agricultural models such as robot picking and aeroponics are also eye-catching.
我觉得首先在这个10号馆里看到了很多之最，就是最大的、最长的，感觉很惊喜，在日常生活中见不到。
I can only describe it in one word: amazing. Only by being present you can have such feeling. In addition, urban construction of Shouguang has a high green coverage and advanced planning, which is one of the best country-level cities in greening and planning I have ever seen. Besides, there is also advanced concept in Shouguang. It has a complete vegetable logistics, distribution and market, as well as leading enterprises in modern agricultural design and planning companies with advanced thinking.
觉得不枉此行吧。
听朋友介绍的说这里面挺好，所以我今天就过来了。
In addition to vegetable exhibits, there are also various food stalls with a variety of snacks and delicacies from different places. From cold cucumber salad to stir fried beef, from fried chicken to skewers, each exudes a rich aroma and makes people salivate. I have also tried several different snacks, which tasted very delicious and left a lasting impression.
这里我感觉今年的特色比较突出，尤
A
其
visit to Shouguang Vegetable Fair was a very meaningful experience. I not only saw many amazing exhibits, but also learned how to grow and cook delicious food. In addition, the fair also provided many interesting activities, allowing me and my friends to experience the joy of vegetable cultivation and learn about the wonders of vegetables together.
I hope you guys like this video, and definitely this video will refresh your understanding of vegetables. See you. Bye bye.